this trip was a bad idea. Every time I hang out with you, man, it's some kind of shitstorm. I got guilted into coming on this trip, and now I'm back in the fucking 80s, and I hate this decade!
Maybe it's your fucking fault, huh? You're a fucking insurance salesman. You're practically the devil.
Guys! This is scientifically possible.
Oh my god, okay, Professor Hawking, tell me in your robot voice how this is scientifically possible.
All right, I write Stargate fan fiction, so I think I know what I'm talking about right now.
I seriously almost passed out. You're such a dork.
Okay, the tub is obviously some kind of energy vortex, right? Like a black hole. But instead of being in space, it's, you know, it's in a hot tub. Time is not linear. We just perceive it that way.
Ah! Like the Terminator. It's cyclical, right? The machines send Schwarzenegger back to kill Sarah Connor so that John Connor could never be born. But if John Connor don't send Michael Biehn back to protect her, then they never fuck! And John Connor ain't born in the first place.
Checks out.
Yeah, that's pretty good.